This is the Lone Trader YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to know sessions in TradingView. Let's dive right into understanding what trading sessions are and why they're crucial for your market analysis. These defined periods, like the regular trading hours, help you segment market activity. Knowing how to visualize them on your chart is key to identifying trends and making informed decisions. We'll cover the basics of what sessions represent and why they are a fundamental tool for any trader using TradingView. To display session breaks, first open your chart settings by right-clicking on the chart or using the gear icon. Next, navigate to the Events tab within the Settings window. Here, you'll find an option labeled Session Breaks. Simply check this box to activate the visual separators on your chart. You can also customize their appearance, choosing different colors or line styles to make them stand out, helping you clearly delineate one trading session from the next. Beyond the default settings, you can customize session times for individual symbols. To do this, go to the Symbol settings, often found by double-clicking the symbol on your chart or through its properties. Look for the Session or Trading Hours section. Here, you can define custom trading hours, which is incredibly useful for markets with non-standard schedules or for focusing on specific parts of the day. Remember to also set the correct time zone to ensure accuracy in your analysis. For advanced analysis, consider integrating session volume profiles. These tools provide a visual representation of volume distribution within each session, offering deeper insights into price action and liquidity. You can also configure your charts to display pre-market and after-hours sessions, which are crucial for understanding the full scope of market activity outside regular hours. And speaking of reading, if you love diving into market analysis or just a good book, check out the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. This helps you capture the complete picture of market sentiment and potential shifts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.